When you're cutting fabric with a rotary cutter and ruler, it's really important that you stop your ruler from sliding around. And this tip is going to help with that. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pojagi, and embroidery. So it's important that your ruler does not slide around when you're cutting fabric, because we know if you're cutting and then your ruler slips, your piece will be cut totally wrong and you'll need to get a new piece. And it does slide around quite easily. So if you're struggling with having your ruler slide as you're cutting, one thing that will really help is by adding a little grippiness to the back of your ruler. Now there are companies that sell little stickers that you can put right on your ruler that will just give it a little bit of grip and friction. But if you don't have access to that, you can also use medical tape. And this medical tape has a bit of grippiness on it. So if I put this, just stick a piece on the back of my ruler, now it is not sliding at all. It gives a lot of friction that will grip with the fabric so it doesn't slide. So that can be a great help for you. Now, full disclosure, I don't usually use this because I like to be able to slide my ruler easily and then hold it firmly with my fingers. But if you don't have the strength in your fingers, or if you don't want to be able to have the ability to do little corrections, then this will be a big help. Just remember that then if you need to move your ruler, you will need to lift it up and move it into spot. You can't just slide it into where you want it to be. So let me know if you've tried putting this tape, or if you've gotten stickers, or if you have any other tips for making your ruler a little bit more grippy on your fabric. I'd love to hear that, so drop it in the comments. And if you're looking for more quilting tips and tutorials, you can check out my website, epidastudio.com.